Hello, P4/1. Today we're going to learn about equivalent fractions. Again, equivalent fractions. What does the word equivalent mean? Again, what does the word equivalent mean? Equivalent means equal in value or the same value. Again, equivalent means equal in value or the same value. Equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal in value, even though their numerators or denominators are not the same. Again, equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal in value, even though their numerators or denominators are not the same. So as we can see the example below, 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 3 over 6, and 4 over 8, the shaded parts in the circle. So the shape, the size of the shaded parts are the same, are equal, right? It means 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over 4, is equal to 3 over 6, is equal to 4 over 8. Therefore, 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 3 over 6, and 4 over 8 are equivalent fractions. I'll show you some examples of equivalent fractions. Here is our example number 1. May has 3 cards of the same shape and size. She divides each card into equal parts. Then she colored one or more parts of each card. Again, May has 3 cards of the same shape and size. We have 3 cards here. She divides each card into equal parts. For the first card, she divided into 2 parts. For the second card, she divided it into 4 parts. And for the third card, she divided into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts. Then she colored one or more parts of each card. For the first card, she colored one part of it. On the second card, she colored 2 parts. And for the third card, she colored 4 parts. From here, we can see that the fraction of the shaded part on the first card is 1 over 2. Very good. The second card, what is the fraction of the shaded part? Yes, 2 over 4. And the last card, what is the fraction of the shaded parts? Okay, 4 over 8. Even though they appear differently, but the shaded parts are of the same value. Again, even though they appear differently, but the shaded parts are of the same value. It means that 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over 4 is equal to 4 over 8. Therefore, 1 over 2, 2 over 4, and 4 over 8 are equivalent fractions. Another example. Mickey baked 3 pizza pies of the same shape and size. He cut each pie into equal pieces. Then he ate some of each of the pies. Again, Mickey baked 3 pizza pies of the same shape and size. So we have 3 pizza pies here. He cut each pie into equal pieces. For the first pie, he cut it into 3 parts or 3 equal pieces. On the second pie, he cut it into 6 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal pieces. And on the third pie, he cut it into 9 equal pieces. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal pieces. Then he ate some of each of the pies. Again, he he ate some of each of the pies. On the first pie, he ate one part. So what is the fraction of the parts that are eaten? Yes, 1 over 3. And on the second pie, he ate 2 parts. So what is the fraction of the parts that are eaten? 2 over 6. Very good. And on the third pie, he ate 3 parts. So again, what is the fraction of the parts that are eaten? 3 over 9. As we can observe that the parts that are eaten are of the same amount, meaning the value are equal, the same. Therefore, 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 6 is equal to 3 over 9. These three fractions are called equivalent fractions. Another example is related to the exercises in your math workbook, page number 90. Question number 1, find the missing number of a pair equivalent fraction. Again, find the missing number of a pair equivalent fraction. We have 1 over 5 is equal to 2 over blank. Again, 1 over 5 is equal to 2 over blank. Showing the solution, we have 1 over 5 is equal to 2 over blank. What can you observe with the numerators? 1 is equal to 2. What are we going to do with number 1 to make it equal to 2? Yes, we will multiply 1 by 2. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Whatever we do to the numerator, we will do the same to the denominator. So we will multiply 5 by 2. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Yes, very good. So it means the missing number here is 10. Therefore, 1 over 5 is equal to 2 over 10. Another example we have 2 over 3 is equal to 4 over blank. Again, 2 over 3 is equal to 4 over blank. Showing again the solution, we have 2 over 3 is equal to 4 over blank. What can you observe with the numerators? 2 is equal to 4. What are we going to do with 2 to make equal to 4? Yes, we will multiply 2 by 2. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Whatever you do with the numerator, you will do the same to the denominator. So we will also multiply 3 by 2. What is 3 times 2? 6. Therefore, the missing number here is 6. It means 2 over 3 is equal to 4 over 6. Another example, 3 over 7 is equal to blank over 21. Again, 3 over 7 is equal to blank over 21. This time, the numerator is missing, okay? So, but the process is the same. Showing again the solution, 3 over 7 is equal to blank over 21. So we have 7 is equal to 21. What are we going to do with number 7 to make it equal to 21? Yes, we will multiply 7 by 3. So what is 7 times 3? 21. We will do the same to the numerator, okay? We will also multiply 3 by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. It means the missing number here is 9. Therefore, 3 over 7 is equal to 9 over 21. Another example we have 3 over 4 is equal to blank over 16. Again, 3 over 4 is equal to blank over 16. We have 3 over 4 is equal to blank over 16. Again, we will start with the denominator. So what are we going to do with number 4 to make it equal to 16? Yes, we will multiply 4 by 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So The same thing in the numerator, we will multiply 3 by 4. So 3 times 4, what is 3 times 4? 12. So the missing number is 12. Therefore, 3 over 4 is equal to 12 over 16. Question number 2. Find out if each set of fractions are equivalent. Color the fraction bars provided to help you. Put a tick check in the box if the fractions are equivalent. Again, find out if each set of fractions are equivalent. Color the fraction bars provided to help you, and then put a tick check in the box if the fractions are equivalent. We have 1 over 2 and 4 over 8. 1/2 or 1 over 2 can be found in the first row. So we will color the one part of it. Okay, so this is represents as 1 over 2. 4 over 8, so we will color 4 parts out of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So this is equal to 4 over 8. As we can observe, the shaded parts are equal. Again, the shaded parts are equal. They are the same. Therefore, 1 over 2 and 4 over 8 are equivalent fractions. So we will put a tick check in the box. Next example, we have 3 over 5, 6 over 12, and 6 over 10. Again, 3 over 5, 6 over 12, and 6 over 10. So 3 over 5 can be found in the first row. So we will color the 3 parts out of 5. So 1, 2, 3. So this is equal to 3 over 5. Next is 6 over 12. 6 over 12 can be found in row 3. So we will color 6 out of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is equal to 6 over 12. And the last one is 6 over 10. So we will color 6 out of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is equal to 6 over 10. Look at the bars. Are they equal? Only 3 over 5 and 6 over 10 are equal, right? But 6 over 12 is not equal to the two fractions. Therefore, the set of fractions given are not equivalent. So we will not put a tick check in the box, okay? We will leave it empty. Next one, 9 over 12, 3 over 4, and 6 over 8. Again, 9 over 12, 3 over 4, and 6 over 8. So let's color first the 9 over 12. So which row is that? Okay, 9 over 12 can be found in the third row. So we will color 9 out of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is equal to 9 over 12. 3 over 4 can be found in row 1. So we will color the 3 parts of it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 over 4. And the last one is 6 over 8. So we will color 6 out of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is equal to 6 over 8. As we can observe, the shaded parts are equal. Again, the shaded parts are the same. It means this set of fractions are equivalent. Therefore, 9 over 12, 3 over 4, and 6 over 8 are equivalent fractions. Right now, we will put a tick check in the box. And now it's your turn. This is your task for this week. You need to answer the exercises in your workbook, page number 90 and 91. Again, you need to answer the exercises in your workbook, page 90 and 91. Only question number 1 and question number 2. Again, answer only the question number 1 and question number 2. Please show your solution. Thank you. Have a good day.